Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we bring you the most in-depth, no-nonsense reviews on the products that matter. Today we're taking a close look at the Sangcon 1000W Smoothie Blender, a blender that promises powerful performance and sleek design to fit seamlessly into your kitchen. But does it live up to its claims? Let's find out. The Sangcon 1000W Smoothie Blender is a portable, high-powered blender designed to make smoothies, shakes, and even grind ingredients like nuts and spices. Featuring a true 1000-watt motor and an upgraded 6-blade extractor, this blender is built to process hard ingredients like frozen fruit and ice with ease. It also promises a quieter, more efficient blending experience, which is a key concern for many blender users. What's unique here is that the design includes several convenient accessories, like multiple cup sizes, spout lids, and a to-go cap, making it a versatile choice for both families and individuals. But does all of this come together to deliver a truly outstanding product? Let's break it down. When it comes to performance, the first thing you'll notice about this blender is its power. The 1000-watt motor truly stands out in terms of its ability to crush ice, frozen fruits, and other tough ingredients without much effort. I tested it with both frozen berries and hard ice, and in under 60 seconds, the smoothie came out smooth, creamy, and fully blended. The 6-blade system is incredibly effective in breaking down tough ingredients like kale or nuts. It didn't bog down or create chunky bits, something I've seen happen with other blenders in this price range. What also impressed me was the cooling system. Unlike many high-powered blenders that tend to overheat after extended use, the Sangcon features an advanced power fan that keeps the motor cool even during longer blending sessions. This really matters if you're someone who blends a lot of frozen ingredients or likes to make multiple servings in one go. I tested it by making a batch of smoothies and then using the blender again right after without any overheating issues. The base has anti-slip elements, which means the blender stays stable on your counter, even during heavy use. Now, let's talk about the blades. The upgraded 6-leaf design is built for durability and precision. These blades are thicker than your average blender blades and designed to last longer with less wear and tear. The T-shaped seal ensures that the blade assembly stays tightly sealed to the cup, so you won't have to deal with annoying leaks or spills. It's clear that this blender was designed with the user's experience in mind. What's also great is the versatility of the included cups. You get a 700mm juice cup, a 500mm smoothie cup, and a 300mm grinding cup. This setup gives you plenty of options depending on the size of your batch, whether you're prepping for a meal or just making a quick protein shake. The spout lids, handled rings, and direct drink rings make it easy to carry your drinks on the go. Whether you're at the gym, heading out for a picnic, or just want a quick breakfast, this blender has you covered. In terms of ease of use, the Sangcon couldn't be simpler. You just add your ingredients, lock the cup into the base, and twist to start blending. It's quick and hassle-free. After use, cleaning is equally easy. The blade assembly twists off for easy rinsing with soap and water. And since there's no mess or tricky parts to handle, you won't be spending extra time scrubbing. As for the design, it's sleek and modern, combining functionality with an aesthetic that would fit in any contemporary kitchen. It's not just a blender, it's a piece of kitchen equipment you'll be proud to show off. Now let's talk about the cons. No product is perfect, and while the Sangcon does a lot right, it's not without its shortcomings. For starters, while the motor is powerful, it does take a little longer to fully blend some denser ingredients like frozen berries or nuts, even with the 6-blade setup. It's not a huge issue, but if you're used to blenders that handle everything in a flash, this might be something you notice. Additionally, while the blender is quieter than some of its competitors, it's still not as quiet as you might expect for a product that touts itself as being quiet. If you're looking for something completely silent, this might not be your best bet. In terms of value for money, the Sangcon blender sits at a mid-range price point. It's certainly more affordable than some of the higher-end blenders from brands like Vitamix, yet it still offers plenty of performance for the price. With the 1000-watt motor, 6-blade extractor, and the included accessories, it's a strong contender in its category. However, if you're on a strict budget, there are alternatives in the lower price range that might not have the same power, but will still get the job done. In comparison to other popular blenders like NutriBullet or Ninja, the Sangcon holds its own. The motor power is similar to many of the higher-end blenders, and the included accessories give it a competitive edge. However, the lack of a digital display and certain features like preset functions might be a downside for some users who prefer those extra bells and whistles. If you're willing to sacrifice a bit of extra functionality for raw power, this could be a great fit. But if you need something with more automation or premium features, you might want to explore some other options. When it comes to build quality, the Sangcon impresses. The motor feels sturdy, and the materials used are solid and durable. Given the powerful motor and thickened blade assembly, I expect this blender to last. That being said, I'd still recommend being mindful of the motor during extended use, right? As high-powered blenders like this one are susceptible to wear over time if not properly maintained. As for customer service, while I haven't had to contact the company directly, Sangcon does offer one-on-one support, which is reassuring. The brand has a good reputation for standing behind its products, and their customer service team is responsive and helpful should you run into any issues down the line. In conclusion, the Sangcon 1000W Smoothie Blender offers impressive power, versatility, and ease of use, making it a solid option for those who need a reliable and efficient blender. The quiet motor, upgraded blade assembly, and included accessories make it stand out in its category. While it might not be the quietest option on the market or as fast as some premium blenders, it still delivers solid performance at a reasonable price. If you're looking for a blender that can handle everything from smoothies to shakes and grinding nuts, the Sangcon is a great choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with more reviews from Reviewsinsidetv. If you've used the Sangcon 1000W blender, share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep blending and stay healthy.